It's time for the BittBoy. You don't want to read the manual? I'm going to help you out. How does this little device works? Stay tuned. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back, Wicked family. And in today's video, it's a quick video. I just want to show you how is the BittBoy working if you want to adjust the screen, the sound, and go back to the main menu. So, if you don't have a manual, or you don't want to read a manual, who read manuals? So, let's make this video and I'm gonna show you how this thing works. Right, you want to adjust the volume. It's pretty damn simple. You are going to hold the select button, pressing A or B, and as you can see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Here you can adjust the volume. The same goes when you're pressing the turbo buttons. You can adjust the brightness of the screen. It's pretty damn simple. So, how can you save? Quick load, quick save, quick load, yes. Press the R button once. Here you're having the quick load, quick save. You can archive, save or load, and you have saved your game. Yes. If you press it again, you can swap out the mode, how you want to display the game, and the same goes for the display. If you want to move the AV out, or you want to have it simply on your BittBoy. And the last part, if you want to go back to the main menu, it's pretty simple. When you're in the game, hold the R button, and that's it. You're going back to the main menu, and there you can select a new game. So this is how the little new BittBoy works. I think it's a pretty ingenious little device. I did a review about it. Check it out if you want. I'm going to play some Super Mario. It's, by the way, one of my favorite games. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time.